Hey everyone, this is Tyler with UPD, and today I'm going to take you through the basics of using the Meta Business Suite. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, the Meta Business Suite is a tool to help augment your business's Facebook and Instagram presence. In order to access it, you'll need to have a page for your business. If you don't have one, it's not that hard to create. Simply go to the Pages icon in your home feed and then select Create New Page. From there, you'll be able to fill in all of your business's info and even upload some pictures if you'd like. Now, on to the good stuff, the Meta Business Suite. It may look a little complicated at first, but I assure you that the basics are really quite easy to master. For now, we're just going to focus on making a post, scheduling a post, and creating a post with the ability to message your page directly from the post. If you have a post in mind, click on the blue Create Post button in the middle of the page. From there, you're presented with a flurry of options, but they're all very straightforward and easy to use. The first thing you'll notice is the big text box. You can type whatever you want in here and include links, hashtags, and emojis within it. Play with it to your heart's content. Next, you can add various media to your post. This can be an image or a video. Eye-catching visuals will help increase the engagement of your post, so make sure to use media whenever applicable in your content. You'll see a bunch of little icons below the text box. Here, you can add several different attachments to your post. A feeling, your location, a direct message button, a boost, A/B testing, and a link preview. We'll cover all these right now. Feelings and location are pretty straightforward. Simply toggle them and add whatever content you want to add to the post. The messenger attachment allows potential customers to directly message your business right from the post. That way, if you're posting a product or advertising your services, you can invite them to contact you directly. You can also boost your post and turn it into an ad. This will cost money, but if you're advertising your services, it will be instrumental in getting new eyes glued to your business. A/B testing is a little fancier. Also known as split testing, it allows you to push up to 4 versions of a post. From here, you'll be able to see which version of your post receives the most engagement, and then you can keep that one. You'll also be able to experiment with this and keep it in mind for future posts. Lastly, there's the link preview option. This is typically enabled automatically by the Business Suite, but if you want to simply post a link and not use any media, you can toggle this and allow Meta to automatically fetch some content from the link. If you're posting a link to a product, for example, and you have a picture of the product on your website, it should take that image and attach it to the post, like so. After completing your post, you may want to check whether you want to post it to Facebook, Instagram, or both. If you don't have an Instagram page for your business, I heavily advise that you make one. You can easily manage both pages from the Meta Business Suite, so you don't have to worry about attending to both pages cross-platform. Lastly, you can choose whether to publish your post now or schedule it for a strategic time. When you net enough followers, Meta will give you optimal times to push your content, so the maximum number of people see it. If you need to go and aren't finished with your post yet, simply save it later as a draft. Before you hit the publish button, make sure to take a look at the post preview on the right. You can see how it'll look on both Facebook and Instagram as both a desktop viewer and a mobile phone viewer. Well, that's about all for now. We'll keep covering the Meta Business Suite so you can get the most out of your online presence, and we'll also have more videos available for social media strategy in the future. From everyone at UPD, this is Tyler signing off. Thanks for watching.